All right, ladies and gentlemen, we got two products here. Apple Vision Pro and iPad 10th generation, the pink one. I'm gonna actually unbox it for you guys, take it out of the box. So we got the iPad right here, and let me just throw this away. We don't need this. There you go, the Apple Vision Pro. Okay, these two products. Again, the box is pretty massive, bigger than the Mac Studio, I would say. This is the Apple Vision Pro. This is the iPad. This one is 64 gigabytes, the base version, and this is the 256 gigabytes, which is again the base one, because the 1 terabyte one is a difference of $1,000. Anyways, we're gonna go and unbox it. It's a pretty nice box, I would say. It's like a shoe box. Let's open it. There you go. Open. It's the moment of truth, my friend. I was actually doing the demo, and that was the moment I was like, damn, I need to get this. And I literally got it at that moment. So ever since then, which was since the morning, I actually got it up. This is it. So this is the Vision Pro itself. It's the computer with the case and everything. It comes with two bands actually, since they had this band on the launch, which is the single knot band, and it comes with the dual loop band, which I thought actually was much more comfortable, and also how it just basically goes on your head. Let's go and check it out and see basically how it goes. But this is it, guys. I hope it doesn't fall. This is the one. And again, as always, best box, best shapes, goes to, again, our famous company, Apple. Okay, there you go. That was it. Nice paper, recyclable materials. And this is the, again, guide. Same for the iPad, for the Vision Pro. You get the catalog, which explains everything for the Apple Vision, for this Vision Pro, which you really need, I would say, because again, this one, the catalog, as you can see, it's like many pages, and it says like how you need to activate it and how it works. Again, this is the dual loop band. So this is the polishing cloth for the Vision Pro, and you get these for the monitors, but for this one, as you can see, it's pretty thin and nice, and the material is pretty good, I would say. So again, we got the dual loop band after that. The dual loop band, again, since we said this was a single knot, we got the dual loop band. This is the one. So it basically straps on top of your head and on the back, and pretty comfortable, I would say. And the guide would be literally in here. This is the USB-C charger, which is same as the iPad that we got. This is the charger, and it does the work. Pretty good. You get the soft opening. So this one is 30 watts, smaller than the 90 watts for the MacBook Pros, which it's gonna be a separate video for itself. And there you go, my friends. This is the battery. Open this as well. As you can see, Apple does it, my friends. Apple does it with the design. So you can use it for 2 hours, but if you want all day access, you can just plug it into the USB-C charger right here, and you can basically use it for all day long. And this is heavy. Again, you have to put it in your pocket. Pretty much can't hold it for too long. After that, you get the light seal cushion, which it's the customized size for myself as well, and we're gonna see how it turns out basically. It is pretty nice. And as it says, use light seal if prompted by the system or if you need more room for a better fit, which it does it. Now that's pretty much it for the box for the Vision Pro, and then we're gonna go and basically unbox the computer itself. So you get two bands in here. I'm gonna open it right now. $6,000 computer, $6,000 Canadian computer. Pretty crazy. There you go, and this is the case for it. I hope it doesn't break. So you're gonna take it off. Pretty nice. And as the Apple instructor said, you have to hold it like this for a better fit and everything. So I'm gonna put it on now. As always, you have to keep the battery to the computer itself, because again, it needs the battery to flow, and they did a good job of like designing it, because again, putting the battery up there, it's gonna be pretty heavy, although it's already heavy for as many users say. So you're gonna put it on like this. Just make sure the Apple Vision Pro, it attaches to your forehead, and it's basically right there. So what you do, you turn it on, and there you go. I'm in, and I'm in. So this is how it works. This is the light setup, and basically the Apple Vision Pro experience is amazing. This is phenomenal, guys. One of the best technologies that is out there, and I love it. You can use your hand anywhere, and it literally like detects it. That's crazy. Press the top button to capture. So you're gonna capture this. This is the studio. That's good. Okay, guys. So I want to end the video by now by saying that thank you very much for taking time to taking a look at this review. Honestly, Apple Vision Pro, as you can see from my head right now, it's pretty weird. But again, it's one of the most phenomenal technologies that is out there. And I mean, the future is bright. Honestly, like with Meta coming out, with Apple like competing with one another, it's gonna be a great competition, I would say. But for now, this is the technology, and the price, it's a bit higher for what you get really. But again, it's just the Gen 1 product. We know as iPhone was the Gen 1 product, but let's see in the future what happens and how this product basically develops. So without further ado, guys, please make sure to hit that subscribe button. Thank you very much for your time, guys, and enjoy.